We actually need an adequate amount of all three of these macronutrients since they serve such unique purposes. And as you can see, when foods are refined or processed, their nutrient value is diminished. This is especially true for micronutrients, which include 13 essential vitamins, 16 minerals, and other plant compounds, because micronutrients are involved in almost every function of the reproductive process. Semen and sperm is all derived from food we eat: proteins, fatty acids, fructose. So it makes sense that the risk of impaired sperm motility was 51% lower for men whose diets were high in vitamins E, D, C, zinc, folate, selenium, fiber, and polyunsaturated fats. Vitamin A plays an important role in embryo development. Iodine is vital for fertilization, fetal brain development, and meeting the hormone demands of the thyroid. Vitamin D is involved in the crosstalk between embryo and the endometrium, and maintaining serum calcium levels, absorption, bone development. And folate catalyzes neurological function, neural tube development, and brain development in a growing fetus. So it makes sense that a 2018 prospective cohort study found that clinical pregnancy rates and live birth rates were 70 to 80% higher among women whose diets were primarily composed of whole foods like fish, nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. It's natural to ask, if so many people are deficient in these key nutrients, can't we just load up on supplements? The reality is that our bodies respond best to nutrients when they're delivered in concert with other nutrients, just like they are whenever we eat whole, unprocessed foods. Sometimes nutrient deficiencies are unique to the individual and require supplementing in higher doses, which you can figure out through a simple blood test. And while we should absolutely take high-quality multivitamins and prenatals every day to fill in the gaps, supplements alone won't replace the essential nutrients that we get through food. A meta-analysis of 50 randomized controlled trials concluded that there was insufficient evidence to support antioxidant supplementation in relation to live birth, clinical pregnancy, miscarriage, multiple pregnancy, or other GI disturbances. On the other hand, there are antioxidant supplements that show reliably consistent results, like CoQ10 and L-carnitine. While supplements are not the solution, they should be part of the process and part of your preconception routine.